You're watching Masters in Trading Live with Jonathan Rose.
Hey everybody, it's Jonathan. A big welcome to Masters in Trading Live. We get on here every single trading day, 11 o'clock Eastern time, to go over the market, share some ideas. This Monday, we will not have Masters in Trading Live because it's Memorial Day. We will be back Tuesday, 11 o'clock a.m. Eastern, to go over the week. Today, four cool topics. Going to try something a little bit different today. We're going to go over every trade that we've shared since we started. So, first topic, holiday trade. Holiday trade, Memorial Day, the market's closed on Monday. Options decay. When options have 30 days until expiration, every single day they're open, they slowly decay, right? 30 days, 29, decay gets faster as we get closer and closer to expiration. Well, Memorial Day, options don't take the day off. We can't trade them, but options are still going to decay. So Friday, before a holiday weekend, we don't want to buy options. You don't want to buy calls. You don't want to buy puts because they're going to decay over the weekend. If anything, on a Friday, we're looking to move inventory. We're looking to get rid of some longs if that opportunity exists. Next couple of topics. Nirvana, this one's pretty cool. Let's go over portfolio. I want to review every trade that we've shared thus far. So let's go to the screen. I want to start here because we have an active Discord community where we're sharing ideas, and it's just a really, really cool vibe. Matthew is a new member. He joined in the latest promotion. And just to go over, Matthew has been doing great. He's been working really hard. The value of All Access has already been worth every penny. We have a 30-day money back, no questions asked. He's in, and then he just upgraded to All Access. All Access gives you advance notice, earnings, and blockchain, and the divergence program. Plug also yesterday, he paid for his service already, used MGN Key. He immediately invested in the All Access program as well. Like many of you guys, I've spent a lot of money on investment products, but nothing comes close to this. So, and you guys in Discord make it even more valuable. Just want to share. I know a lot of people out there have tried many services. These are live. This is literally from yesterday. Today, JR warned about not going too fast. We want to tell everybody patience, okay? I'm going from watching. So before he was watching the market all day, being really stressed out, and now it's not. Make a few trades every day at most, and there are options with a lot of time. This is like Nirvana compared to other services where they are selling before you even get a chance to buy. This is all about education. We are building a community. The idea is that in 3 years, we're looking for ideas. We're all trading together. We're looking for opportunities. So you guys who shared that, I really appreciate it. It's awesome letting others just get a peek behind the curtain. Okay, this is exciting. So Masters in Trading Live. If you go to mastersintrading.com/live, hopefully that's where you're watching this right now. We're also live on YouTube, but go to mastersintrading.com/live. Underneath, you can see every single trade that we've shared going back to February 24th. We list them all, the full portfolio. I was talking with my editor and we're asking, how can we be the most transparent so everybody can see that we're not playing games so we can prove it? How better way than to show you every single trade that we've shared live? You could also go back to the dates that these trades have been shared, and on YouTube, you can watch the exact video which will explain the entries and exits. So let's go over the trades that you might have questions on. One of those is going to be ALAB. These are the trades that we've shared on ALAB. But let me talk it over because you might be looking at this and you're like, down money, this guy's no good. What a joker. We got in April 22nd. April 22nd. Okay? We closed one of the trades because I was trying to cost average. So we closed one of the trades, whatever. You can open that, close that, take a little bit of loss. Now we have two open positions. We are going to hold ALAB. The idea is ALAB is a lockup trade. If you're not familiar with lockup trades, go watch that ALAB video on April 22nd or search mastersinTrading.com on YouTube and you'll find lots of lockup videos. ALAB is a new IPO. In the first 6 months of a new IPO, most of the shares are restricted. So we want to sell every pop, and we do that by buying puts. Okay? We want to be patient. There is nothing to do for ALAB right now. If I look at the open market, ALAB today is trading 72. Patience. There's nothing to do. We are in July. We have 28 days until expiration. Another trade. BHP divergence trade. Again, any one of these days, you can go back and find the video if you want to see the original entry point. I would strongly suggest that you do that. BHP is a name that I absolutely love. To hedge BHP, we're going to use Rio. Here's what the trade looks like. Rio is going to be this green. BHP is going to be this purple. BHP, when we get rallies, we're closing out the trade. When it goes offered, we're getting back in the trade. BHP is still inexpensive. We are bullish copper. Because we're bullish copper, that makes us bullish BHP because it's the cheapest of the coppers. So I like this trade, but we're staying in this trade. We're just managing money in this trade. CCL, July 17 calls, bullish. Here's a trade that we got in April 8th for 97 cents. Then it went for 50% off sale. It wasn't really a sale, but it was 50% off that we originally got in. We bought some more, traded out of that to get our cost basis down. CCL came right back down. But again, we're bullish. I was just going to do this, but I'm not really a technician. I just thought it'd be fun to do that. We're bullish CCL. Patience. It's a money management trade. ING. ING, April 16th. First trade, April 16th. Second trade, May 17th. First trade is here. It goes against us. We want to tranche in. Tranche is what we do to manage money. We want to figure out our risk before we get into the trade, and then we can tranche in to that trade. 18s, right around a scratch. Not very much going on today. Yeah, 18s are trading 55 cents. Yeah, not very much to do. Just sitting there and waiting. Katos. Katos, it's actually called Kratos, but I like calling it Katos because of the acronym of the symbol. So I always call it Katos because I like to. Katos is a attack drone company. We are long from 1728. Additionally, we are buying calls. We are balls to the wall bullish. That's probably something I shouldn't be saying too often. We are very bullish is what I mean. Well, I guess I didn't put a chart up here for Katos, But Katos is trading right now at 21.40, and those July 20 calls are about $2. July 20 calls, $2. Heck of a trade. Long from $1.18, long from 17.28. I want to hold this, guys. I am really, really, really bullish Katos. Oh, here you go. Here's my chart. Katos is a volatile name. Why is it volatile? It's a $2 billion company that makes attack drones. We want to buy when it goes offered, building a position, and then we want to hold. I think that Katos is going to trade over 30. I just want you to be patient with this position. All right, let's hop back on live. So mastersthandtrading.com/live. Underneath, we have the entire portfolio. And then we have the date that we got into each one of those trades. So you can always go back, watch, learn the reasons why we're in those trades. And then if you have any questions, the email right underneath, contact@mastersintrading.com. Want everybody to have an awesome Memorial Day. Another reminder, we are not live on Monday. We will be live on Tuesday, 11 a.m. Eastern Time. For everybody in our All Access, we're going to go over the earnings portfolio, the blockchain portfolio, and the divergence portfolio. I'll see you guys in a bit. For everybody else, have a lovely weekend.